Okay, on this video for ONEGo 10.1 inch or 9 inch Android big screen GPS HD player installed for Waze APK 3.78 version. So you have to download the Waze APK 3.78 from internet and save into pen drive. Okay, then go to menu, choose ES File Explorer. Okay, go to UDisk, find out your file APK. So Waze 3.78 version, install. Okay, install done. Open it. You have to log in account. So you have to fill in your username and password. So and your Facebook account. You can fill in your Facebook account as a user as well. Okay, after that, click next. Then you're done. The maps is come. So you can search.
Let's get started. Drive safe.
Okay, this is Waze 3.78 version installed in ONEGo 10.1 inch or 9 inch Android big screen GPS player by onebits.com domain. Thank you.